do you want access to the most flexible business loan I've ever seen? Well, that's exactly what we're about to decode during this training. You're gonna actually end this training by getting access to the most flexible way to get financing to start or grow your business. Look, a lot of business owners ask me, what is the best type of financing that's out there? What is the most flexible? What is the easiest to qualify? What gives you the highest approval amounts? I'm going to compact it all into one product, and I'm about to reveal it to you right now. We got a lot to cover, so let's dive in. So when we talk about flexibility when it comes to business financing, there's a lot of things we mean. First of all, we've got to talk about a product that works for all types of businesses, all sizes of businesses. One that works for you even if you're a solo entrepreneur just launching a business, or maybe you have 50 or 100 employees are looking for major expansion. The next thing that makes a really flexible loan is income documentation. We don't want to supply it. We want a no documentation option that doesn't require P&Ls, balance sheets, bank statements, or tax returns. Because first of all, if you're just starting your business, you don't have all of that. And if you're growing your business already, then it's cumbersome to come up with all this documentation to try to get approved. So when we talk about a flexible financing option, we don't want any of this. We want it to be no doc. We also want it to be unsecured. Look, if you're just starting your business, or even as you're growing your business, you might not have some kind of asset that can be served up as collateral. SBA loans, loans from your bank, this is what they're gonna want you to have. They're gonna want you to have collateral or assets equal to what you're borrowing. You probably don't have that. So if we're gonna look at the best flexible type of financing option, then we want none of that. We don't want to supply any collateral, so we need to make sure that it's unsecured. But we also need to make sure it's revolving. We need to make sure that we could use it for what we need, pay it down, and reuse it. Unlike loans, a problem with loans is that once you get the loan, you start making a payment on that full amount, whether you're using the full amount or not. It's not flexible. We need the best flexible financing option, which means we need revolving credit lines, revolving credit cards, revolving credit lines. This type of financing, you can get more than you may need. You can use it, you could pay it down, you can reuse it. It gives us the exact flexibility that we're looking for. And we also need it to have really good interest rates. Look, the best flexible kind of financing that's out there gives us access to the absolute lowest rate. And you know what the lowest rate that exists is? 0%. So this option that I'm talking about right now gives you access to 0% financing. No doc, no income verification, unsecured, and you get 0% for up to 18 months. Now that's flexibility. One of the other things that makes this so flexible is that even if you don't qualify, you can still get approved. Look, almost any kind of financing you're gonna qualify for requires either good credit from you or the business, regular financing that you're verifying with tax returns or bank statements, and some kind of collateral. But that's not flexible financing. We need something flexible that even if we don't have all those things for our business, even if we don't have excellent personal credit and established business credit and collateral and assets and revenue and tax returns, we're still able to get approved. So with this kind of funding program, it is based on good consumer credit. To get approved, you or somebody else needs a 680 or 700 score, and that's what makes it flexible. Even if you don't have good personal credit, you can rely on a family member, a friend, a potential investor, somebody other than you can come in as a guarantor, sign for the actual credit lines, and you're still able to get approved. Plus, you're able to build your business credit at the same time. That's right. I said flexibility, right? We need flexible financing. So that means that we're building our business credit at the same time that we're actually getting approved and using it, even if we don't qualify, even if somebody else can qualify on our behalf. And so what has all of this? Does this even exist? Yes, it's why I told you it's the most flexible financing I've ever seen in my business career, because again, it does all of this. You're able to get it without the income documentation. You're able to use a credit partner even if you don't have good personal credit. You're able to get 0% rates, get approved without cash flow verification, unsecured, without any kind of income verification either. All of the items that we talked about during this training you can get in one product, and the one product is called Credit Line Hybrid. This is why Credit Line Hybrid is my favorite kind of financing and also the most flexible you can get to start or grow your business. So do you want to get approved? Click the link in our bio, and in a quick call in the same day, you're even able to get pre-approved for Credit Line Hybrid to be able to start or grow your business. And if you want access to even more cool ways to get money to grow your business, make sure you like and subscribe, where every week we're going over a new training that gives you access to to the money you need to start and grow your business.